Can you say hi? Diles, mira, aquí. Hi. No, diles hola. No, don't touch. Hi, ladies. We're gonna get ready. Bro. We're getting ready in our bathroom. Oh, sorry. Did I poke you? I'm sorry. Can I kiss it? Let me see. How do you want to do your hair? We don't have the best lighting in here, but it's gonna have to do. Here. Do your makeup. Have I heard what song? Okay, you guys, we're just gonna do Breeze's hair really quick, and then we're probably gonna head out. My hair's so thick. Who would have ever thought I would say that, huh? And I need to wax my armpits, so I might do that on here. I might just not, because I kind of want to get out of here quick. Osman and Kilani are working, so they're gonna stay. Do your makeup. Do your lipstick. I think I'm just gonna do 2 buns, because it's easy, and I don't want to really sit here and fight with her. Not on your neck, honey. It's on your lips. Those lips. Can you say hi? Hey. Oh, what is that? Caca. You touched the faucet thing. Look, say hi. Look, they're saying Brisa. They're saying Brisa. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sarah. Can you say hi? You guys, this is why I started doing her hair a little, okay? This. Because she literally does not complain. We're matching. Ooh, you look beautiful. She is like so ready to do her makeup. She watches me. It's so cute. She literally sits. I was just putting my eyelashes on and she was staring at me while I was doing it. Why did my hair get crunchy right there? Okay, what bows do you want? ¿Cuál? ¿Este? I think I'm gonna do these little polka dot red ones. Okay, please don't be grabbing those. Yes, I know. That's not how they go in your hair, baby. Leave them here. Okay? Okay. I'm gonna close it. Oh. Yeah, that is the ball. Okay. Right here. Papa. And then I got these from Marshall's, and I love these. So if you see these at Marshall's and you have a baby, pick it up. It smells so good. It smells like coconut. It's vanilla sugar, but it smells like, yeah, vanilla, coconut. So good. Smells so good. Anyways, I wanted to get on here. I did not get ready on here because y'all know, like, I be taking way too long. Where is this small brush, baby? Well, está el peine. Huh? Oh, here's one. Hello, ladies. Hi. Mwah, mwah. She wants this. My pet peeve is not having a straight part. That is my pet peeve, and I never get it perfect. Look. Okay, my only problem is that she doesn't want to look straight. Oh. I love you. You guys, I got Osman's Father's Day gift. Should I show it to you guys? Should I show it to them, baby? ¿Sí o no? You want a boli? ¿Quieres un boli? ¿Sí? ¿Sí? ¿Quieres boli? Kehlani and Osman are working for our launch, you guys, on our merch that is coming on the 20th. So if y'all don't have your alarm set, or if you guys haven't went to the website to sign up for notification, do that. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you, lady. Oy, diles thank you. Can you say thank you? And then we're gonna go. This This is a vanilla sugar curl defining foam. If she had curls, this would be so cute. I thought it would be more like, hold it more, a little bit more stiff, but it is for baby hair, so it's not. But I feel like if your baby had curly hair, this stuff would work really well. I bought it thinking it's gonna like hold her hair down like her brother's curl cream, but it really doesn't. I just use it for a little something. No, it's not for your face, baby. So we're gonna do some braids. I love when I do some little pigtails and then braids. So that is what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna go to Brianna's lemonade stand. And then I always rubber band it because I use these baby rubber bands. I know it looks like my yiddies are about to pop out, but it's because I'm slightly bent over. Okay. Please don't eat that. How's everybody's weekend? What are you guys getting your man for Father's Day? I hope he likes my gift, but we'll kind of both be able to use the gift. So it won't only be for him. Like, I'll be able to use it too. Hey! Why do you do that? Okay, we're gonna grab her other piggy. Oh God, I always leave more hair on one side, and I definitely feel like there's more hair on this side. Don't mind my armpits are really hairy right now. I don't know if I'm gonna shave them. Look, Nana's on here. Say hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Dile hi a tu Nana. She's too busy right now. Say hi. The kids are probably swimming at Grandma's, so we'll next nice day we'll probably go over there so Brisa can swim too. Well, maybe it's even. But if y'all see this, if I see these again, I'm picking like extras up because I know they're not always gonna have these at Marshall's. You got him the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. So Osmad doesn't know that I got his gift yesterday. He thinks I didn't get it because he went to the car because he was like done and I needed to go back and get my phone after our photo shoot yesterday. I needed to go back into the mall to get my phone because they were repairing it because I dropped it during our last photo shoot and my camera broke. So I went back to get my phone and then I went back in because they were having the Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale. And so all their bras and chonies and stuff were on sale and Kaylani needed some. So I had me and Kaylani went back there. What do we give our mans? Well, you're gonna get ideas in the comments right now. So let everybody know what you're getting your man in the comments. So yeah, Kaylani went in, grabbed some chonies and bra, and then I ended up going to get his gift, but we didn't get a bag for it because then he would know where it was from. So you've seen those at TJ Maxx. I love them. So I ended up getting his gift, but we put it in Kaylani's Victoria's Secret bag, so he didn't know that we got it. Can you not brush your teeth with that? Are we going bye-bye? You want to go see Ivan? She loves Ivan. Like, this little girl, like, I'm going to do a video of her when she sees him. She absolutely loves him. It's so fucking cute. If you guys seen my stories the other day, she was so excited. She turned around and ran into... No! Sorry, baby, but no. She turned around and ran into her high chair when he got to the house. The mousse, I got mine from Marshall's, but somebody said they seen it at TJ Maxx. Anything cute shirts. Super Dad got him a Hot Wheels with a picture of him and the kids. Yes. She's going to Uncle Ivan's. Well, we both are. We're going to go buy lemonade. They're having a lemonade stand, so if you're in Longview, Kelso area, go support and get your lemonade. We're excited. Are we excited? See? See? We're going to go get lemonade? See? Let's take your own sippy. She's going to bring her own cup. You're going to bring your own cup? See? By the way, her hair is, unless I put like strong gel or hairspray in it, it does not it's not gonna stay this cute. So, oh, what are you doing? See, dudes are hard to shop for. Well, I got his gift. I'm not gonna show it to you guys just because. ¿Quieres este? Hold on. Este o este? Este o este? Este o este? Este. ¿Sí?
No.
No. Este. Este. ¿Te gusta? Okay. We're gonna do these. These are the ones she picked. Ready? I got my honey a tunnel cover for his new pickup. Ooh. I'm doing the baby's hair, yes. I just hurried up and like got ready really quick. So, and Kehlani let me wear her skirt that I bought her yesterday. So, I was like sitting there forever trying to pick out what to wear. It's so hot right now. Okay, and then this is the worst part about these bows. Like, I love the little, like, really hard to clip. Oh, and I put it on upside down to top it off. Because you have to, like, get it through the hair because these are, like, soft clips. But I got it. Okay, there's one. It has a little strawberry on it. Can you say strawberry? Say strawberry. Can you say strawberry? She's like, no. She put that dirty comb in her mouth. I don't care. I'm not going to lie. It was funny because yesterday when we were at the Apple store. No, we were at the Coach store. Oh, I'm going to show you guys my purse. I exchanged my purse. That was mine. Got me. We were at the Coach store and the guy, she was chewing on her shoe, okay? And the guy's like, don't chew on your shoe. That's dirty. I didn't care. I was like, whatever. And then we're like walking and some lady stops us and she's like, oh, she's chewing on her shoe. And Osman's like, I know. So yeah, it was funny. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of hairspray. Oh, I'm gonna grab my purse so I can show you guys. Give me a second. This is my purse. This is my new purse. So I ended up exchanging it. This is smaller than the one he originally got me, and I wanted the dark brown. And he feels really bad because they didn't have the medium size in the dark brown no more, not even online or anything. So I ended up going with the mini, which I use a lot of mini bags anyway. And it was $100 less than the one he originally got me. And so I really wanted this like little charm, but it was $100. And Osman was like, just get it. Like, get the charm because this purse is $100 less anyway. And so I ended up getting the charm, but I literally... my stomach hurts every time I think about it because I'm like, why is this $100? Like a little strawberry charm, but it's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's super cute. Lord have mercy. Ah! No, you don't bite on that. And she's biting on it. And then this strap comes off, and then you can wear it as like a crossbody too. Like so. Isn't it cute? I had to have the dark brown. Okay, let's do hairspray. Ready? She doesn't like hairspray. Like she's covering her face. Yeah, she needs a nap. Yeah, she's a brat. You're a brat. You want to go bye-bye? Let's go. Where's your chanclas? Where's your shoes? Hold on. I'm putting her glitter. It's pretty. Okay, don't pull on that. Come on, get down. Let's go bye-bye. Let's go get your chanclas. She's done. Oh, show my purse. Okay, hold on. Let me put glitter in my hair too. Let me move this up higher because, girl, isn't it cute? Brisa needs a purse. Girl, I have like a million purses in my closet. Here's a little purse. It has the little like crossbody strap. And Osmad convinced me to get the strawberry. He's like, if you want to get it, because this purse is $100 less than the medium one. I don't care if it's still dirty. Like, you eat your man's booty hole, ain't nobody telling you nothing. That shit's dirty. Isn't it cute? I had to. When I first seen this, like, I was like, I need it. I know it's not, like, anything special. It's just so cute, and I love it. The inside. I have my wallet. I have some money. I have my lip liner, lip gloss. I always carry this with me. This is sunscreen, because when I'm driving, the sun will, like, hit my hands or my chest. So I'll just, like, really quickly protect those areas. And then the back of my hands, and I'm going to spray it over the purse. I know it's a Coach purse. Why? How do you know that? Back of my hands. No, you guys, she wasn't crying over the hairspray. She's just crying because she feels like crying. So, anyways, what does everyone spend a month on groceries? I should start adding it, huh? Coach is really out here making some bags cute. I know, isn't it cute? I love it. Oh, look at my glitter hair. It's in my TikTok shop if anybody cares about the... You can see my grow out right here. It's like this. Oh, you can see it perfectly. Look at the line. This is all my natural hair color. Oh, hell no. I need to color it. It helps with their immune system. I get the sunscreen at Target. I'm not going to lie. Like, I didn't realize how much I paid for it when I first bought it. And when I went back to, like, rebuy it again, because this is my second little thing of the sunscreen, it was like $20. But I only use it for my chest and the back of my hands, and I keep it in my purse because I will forget to do it if I don't keep it in my purse. Anyways, I'm about to head out before it gets too late and they close the freaking lemonade stand. If you guys are in Longview, Kelso area, go to Ivan and Brianna's yard sale. 4 kids, house of 5, at least 800. Too damn much. Everybody say if you know how much you spend on groceries. I don't. I will start adding it so that oh, my nose. Runny nose. Osman and Kilani are hard at work right now, you guys. So get ready to get your merch on the 20th, next weekend. I will look for my hair color thing. I use a professional hair color though. This side of my hair looks so thick. What kind of sunscreen? It is, hold on. It is the Super Spritz SPF 50 face mist. SPF 50. But I keep this in my purse because I spray it on the back of my hands and my chest and neck area whenever I'm in the car. You can use it for your face too. If I'm not wearing makeup, I'll spray it on my face. But I'm mostly worried about like the back of my hands and stuff. I'm just wearing a clear lip oil from Lorella and a Huda Beauty lip stain. I think it's in... I need to look. It's not... I'm in the bathroom right now, you guys. I gotta go. Brisa's... I don't know what she's doing out there. But I'll see you guys in a little bit. Go to the yard sale if you guys are in the Longview, Kelso area. I'll post it on my Instagram stories if they don't mind if I post the address. But it's just me and it's 400 a month. Maria, I wish that was me. I'm just kidding. Okay, goodbye. I gotta go see what